Okay, let's talk about the secret data hiding inside every single one of your photos.
Yep, it's true. Every single picture you take contains a hidden layer of information.
This stuff is called EXIF metadata, and it gets attached to every single shot you take. It's got details like your precise GPS location, the time, and even your phone model. Now, what's wild is that over 75% of us don't even know this data exists. And that creates a real privacy risk, possibly exposing your home or your daily routine. So how can you see this data for yourself? Well, the good news is it's pretty simple.
If you're on an iPhone, just open a photo and swipe up, you'll see the basics right there. And on Android, open a photo in Google Photos, tap the menu, and hit Details.
But, the built-in apps don't show you everything. For the full story, you'll need a different tool. There are a ton of free apps out there that can show you every single piece of hidden data. Or you can just use a free online viewer. Just upload a photo and see its data. Okay, so the biggest risk comes when you actually share your photos. Let's see what happens. Most social media platforms actually strip this data out, but email and marketplaces, they often don't. And this is a perfect example of why security agencies consider this a pretty big privacy issue.
So this all brings us to the main point. You have control over this information.
Just by being aware of it, you can decide exactly what you're sharing with the world. So, go on, check your last photo. What story is it really telling?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.